Hi, I'm Dr. Antonio Ruston, and I'm the Scientific Director of the 3rd Annual Wordl FUE Institute Workshop, which will be held in Lisbon, Portugal, from June 21st to 23rd, 2018. This will be an intermediate advanced workshop, which means that we won't focus on basic techniques, but more in innovations and new devices and new technologies. The workshop begins with 2 hours hands-on experience, where you will rotate among 6 different stages, 3 for placement and 3 for extraction, using models and guided by the most expert surgeons in the world, renowned for their unique techniques. This will be an incredible and unique experience and opportunity to compare all the different techniques for placement and extractions. We will also have edited video sessions where surgeons will show their technique up close and from A to Z. It's an excellent opportunity to see in 4K definition animations, slow motion, and especially the trade secrets for each expert in a variety of cases ranging from standard to difficult with each unique technique. The last day will be dedicated to the live surgery experience. This year, besides standard techniques and case, we will also have afro hair, ultrasonic FUE, body and ape hair, eyelashes, and SMP. You have the opportunity to see the live surgeries from the operation room or via the monitors that will be placed in each operation room. So this has just been an introduction to the many excited events to await you in Lisbon, for 3 full days of new ideas and an opportunity to exchange experience and knowledge. I will be joined by my friends and esteemed colleagues Dr. José Lorenzo, Dr. Coray Erdogan, Dr. Alejandro Chueco, Jerry Wong, Ron Shapiro, Alex Ginsberg, Dr. Hussein Reihal, Ferry Duni, Dr. Lupanzula, Dr. Senuzzi Umar, Trivellini, and many others known worldwide. So, for those who wish to dive into the depth of FUE, this is the workshop to attend. All this not to mention all the fun and camaraderie. We look forward to see you in the beautiful city of Lisbon. Welcome.
I will be in Lisbon with my new robot, not for hair transplantation, for extraction or placing the grafts, for calculation and science. After Lisbon, everything will change in hair transplantation. If you want to be part of this history, come to Lisbon.
Just checking the new software for Dr. Erdogan coverage value we have been working on that join the hair and graft counter with the Excel table in the same tool. Also preparing our lectures for the 3rd Wordl FUE Institute meeting that will be held. Come to Lisbon with the WFI. You will enjoy.
You are invited to the 3rd Wordl FUE Institute Workshop in 2018. Welcome to Lisbon.
Dear friends, dear colleagues, come and join us in Lisbon. It will be an amazing workshop.
The next WFI FUE conference and workshop will be in Lisbon this year. You're all welcome to come. It should be a great conference with a lot of information, and looking forward to seeing you there.
WFI workshop for 2018 will be in Lisbon. It will be fun, it will be educational. You're gonna love it.
Come to Lisbon.